Hey guys, I'm Chris Desir and I'm back with another value video. And today's going to be how to stay in business during quarantine for plumbing business owners. First, we're going to learn what has happened because of quarantine, why marketing is so effective, and how to get clients that need you ASAP. Quarantine. As we all know, quarantine is causing businesses all over the world to lose clients, especially plumbers. This affects plumbers because people are now scared to let specialists or technicians into the home. And if you can't get specialists or technicians in there, they can't do the job. This means that most type of plumbing services are now on hold: drain cleaning, sewer services, water heaters, etc. But at the end of the day, plumbing is a service that homes and businesses will always need. And right now, there are only two viable services that are not affected by the quarantine, and they are emergency services and plumbing e-commerce. Emergency services require immediate attention, so clients will be willing to take the risk of letting someone enter their home. And plumbing e-commerce does not require you to necessarily enter a person's home or business because you can just have the product shipped directly to them. And this can be drain cameras, do-it-yourself kits, whatever. The only thing needed is a guaranteed way to reach these people quickly, because quarantine on the bright side is starting to let up. But while this quarantine is still going on, you can make a massive amount of money if you start back up now before everybody catches on. And that's through online/social media marketing. And just like all marketing, social media marketing is for getting your service or product in front of potential customers. Why social media marketing works? Well, because placement of ads. You can run ads on multiple platforms for little cost compared to other things like billboards, newspapers, etc. Ad targeting. You can find the perfect customer. So in this case, you would be finding customers that need emergency services. Ad tracking. You can know how much money you're exactly spending on these and how much money you want to increase if you want to hit more people. You know exactly how much it'll cost. Efficient spending. When your ad does well, it basically lowers the price. And how you'll profit. Here's an example of how I would run an ad to make you money, especially now during Corona or the quarantine. These key three steps must be followed. An ad must offer something a customer wants. So in this case, you would make an ad for emergency service or plumbing e-commerce products to send over to plumbing business owners who may need them at the moment. You would make an ad describing those things, or a specialty service that your company provides when you have an emergency, depending on what the emergency may be for the customer. Once you have that made, you would have a contact page where the customer will fill out their information for you to gather it. And once you've gathered the information, you on your end as a business must convince the customer to either call you, or you collect their information and then you call the customer. And I would recommend you would do the latter of the two. Because as a plumbing business owner, as a plumber, in general, your focus should be getting technicians to booked appointments, delivering high quality service that only you know your company can provide, and gaining a loyal customer. So what should you do now? You can take all of this information and try to do the ad yourself, but I can guarantee you that you'll end up losing a lot of money in the process, because you'll be trying to rush it out, trying to do a mass campaign of some sort, trying to get this all out to as many people as you possibly can. And you're going to end up wasting a lot of money around the way, especially if you don't know how to make a properly well-structured ad and you don't know how to use content. So I recommend watching my video on how to use social media marketing for free, but I can guarantee you the methods using that approach will take you a lot longer than it will for paid. And it could take you even months, up to an entire year, for you to actually start seeing results doing the free method. So right now, during quarantine, while it's still around, I'd say paid is the best method to go about it. But if you ever want some more information on how this can apply to your business, you want me and my team to do a review of your social media currently at the moment, or anything else, you can message me on Facebook, LinkedIn, or even YouTube, wherever you find this, and just schedule one-on-one with me. And this has been Chris Desir, and I want you to have a good day.